welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to flock my tree. I bought my tree about 3 or 4 years ago when we bought our house. It's a 10-foot tree and it's pre-lit. It was really old, but I got it for $150 or something like that. So I found this flocking on Amazon, which I'll show you guys in just a second. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can totally flock my own tree and make it look like one of those expensive $600 trees. So that is what we're doing today. I hope it comes out right. I'm doing it by myself. Normally Chad, my husband, helps me with these type of things, but he'll be home this weekend so he can help bring the tree in and stuff. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoy, and I want to try and do this as quickly as possible because maybe you guys haven't put your tree up and you can do it too for this year, or you can do it next year. Okay guys, so this is the flocking that I got from Amazon. I think it was like $23 for one pack. One of these is good for a tree that's like 6.5 to 7.5 feet tall. But mine is bigger, so I needed 2 packs. I got the 2. And it's 2 pounds for each one. So I read, or I seen a video that the girl said that it does not like shed, or was that the right word? I don't know, but it doesn't do any of those things. So hopefully she's right. I already took my tree out of the box. That's 1, 2, 3, and then I'm working on this one. Okay, I turned you guys around. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to fluff the tree and build your tree, you know, get it all the way up, and then you have to spray the tree with water in a spray bottle, which is upstairs. I have to go grab that, but that'll probably be later. I have to first fluff the tree, which takes forever, the worst part ever, right? So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna lay something down on the garage floor so that I don't make a mess. Hopefully my husband would not be happy with me. So I'm gonna try and lay some stuff down and then build the tree. I'm gonna get a ladder and then just start. I'll show you guys. It's a lot, but I'd rather do this and just take my time doing this than buying a brand new tree, which my husband already said it's a no-go. Maybe I'll ask for that for Christmas. No, I think it'll be fine. I just want it to look right? So anyways, let's get started. I'm kind of dreading, that's why I'm talking so much, but I'm just gonna prop you guys up and go ahead and time lapse this. Sweating bullets, so don't mind how I look. Last year we had 3 lizards run into our house when we were putting our Christmas decorations up in our tree. They came from outside. 2 of them we got out. The last one was stuck in my tree the entire time I had my tree up, and I had it up for like 3 or 4 months. Don't judge me. And you know how like when you try to put away your ornaments nicely and you're like, you know, pack it cute, and I ripped every single ribbon, ornament, I mean all of it, ripped it all out, and I told Chad, get the tree and get it out of my house. So anyways, I just found the freaking lizard. I literally just want to die, like roll over, die. Look at that. Wait, where did it go? Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch the tree anymore. I'm so done. I'm so done. right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm pre-recording this because I'm gonna get sweaty and sticky, and I know I'm not gonna want to close the video out later. So I hope it turned out right. Cross my fingers. You guys, let me know in the comments if it comes out right. By then I'll know, right? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and make sure your notification bell is on. Love you guys. Bye.